welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new video here. In this video we are going to learn about the EBS volumes and the EBS snapshots. So let's get into the video. In the previous video we have attached and we have created some volumes here. So let's go into that. I'm here in the volumes. So see, I have two volumes here, so you can see my new volume. The volume state is available. So for that, if I want to attach this volume, go to the actions and attach the volume, so it will show the available instance. So I have used a different available time zone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a other volume which is in this time zone. So it's okay, US is 2B. So create a volume, just general, and just creating a 5 GB, and this is 2B. Yeah, create. Yeah, I have created, and this is it takes some time. Yeah, it has created. So this volume, so you can see it's available now. So I'm going to attach this volume to my instance. For that, now see, I have a volume, the instance to attach. Just go and attach the volume. Second. Then these volumes are attached to instance. So now if we want to delete a volume, just choose a volume, then go to the action and delete the volume. So we have to type the delete, otherwise it can't be deleted. So just delete it. Yeah, it has been deleted. So if you don't find how to attach the volume EC2, you can just go to Google and search format EBS volume attached to. Then you can find, yeah, this is a, you can learn from here how to attach the volumes. So just this is for your reference purpose. We have seen EBS network, EBS availability zones. Now I'm going to show you the EBS delete on termination. So for that I have to go to my instances. I'm already in the instance. Just scroll down, go to the storage, and in my block device I have the root instance. If you scroll bit, then you can see delete on termination S, but for other instances it will show no, because we have to add. So for that I'm going to show you one more example. For that, launch instances. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see where we can add this. So it's in the configuration storage. So we have to go to the advanced, then here so you have to go to the advanced details to enable the delete on termination. So in the advanced details we have to scroll down and we have the termination protection. We have to select yes or no in this. So with that we can see whether we can terminate the instance or not. So if I want to terminate this, just use the instant state and terminate, which means delete the instance. So for that, terminate, and it has been terminated successfully. I'll check whether the volumes are these two volumes. Just refresh. See, you can use in use. You can see all I have to go to the instances to see whether this has been terminated or not. So it's shutting down, it takes some time to terminate. Just refresh it again. So my instance has been terminated. So that's all in this video. I hope you all understand in this video. So I covered how to create ABS volume, how to create an instance, how to delete, and how to terminate it. So in the previous video we have learned about the EBS network. So that topics I have covered on the hands-on experience. So in the next video we are going to learn about the snapshots and other things which are in the AWS EC2 console. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.